Let's discuss if the Real Housewives of Beverly Hills were plants. Let's start with Erika Jayne. First, I thought Anthurium waraquianum queen, but the queen is too fragile and Erika Jayne is definitely not. So I changed it to Anthurium luxurians. So she is flawless, luxurious, tenacious, and hardy. Dorit. Dorit is probably a calathea, which is a high maintenance plant and really starts to suffer from the slightest neglect or inattention. And when your eyes glaze over from one of Dorit's long-winded stories, this is what I'm talking about. Sutton, the Anthurium regale. So this is expensive. It is rare, but oh my God, is she super fragile. This plant often feels victimized by, let's say, tap water. Kyle, definitely Thai constellation monstera. Everyone loves a Thai con. Also able to withstand many conditions and insults. This is a people pleaser plant that is so fun to look at. Lisa Rinna, I know she's not in this current season, but she is definitely an OG housewife. So Lisa is a good time to have at any party, but she's kind of a mean girl pot stirrer, and therefore Lisa is a fiddle leaf fig. Garcelle, I'm going to say pothos for this. She has a totally chill personality. This is an independent plant, doesn't need you at all. It's the original whatever plant. Crystal, pink princess philodendron. Expensive, but surprisingly grounded and stubborn. This philodendron looks precious, but she is surprisingly hardy and easy to care for. The new housewife, Anne-Marie. I'm gonna say Monstera deliciosa. Here's the thing. This is a very hardworking plant. It's constantly pushing out new leaves. It's pretty tough, so it can endure the wrath of the rest of the housewives. These are the real plants of Beverly Hills. They're each unique and beautiful in their own way.